Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and ideas for leading a healthier lifestyle. Today we have something special in store for you, the ultimate guide to the best weight loss smoothies for breakfast. If you've been looking for a delicious and nutritious way to kickstart your mornings, you've come to the right place. So hang tight and get ready to embark on a flavorful journey towards your weight loss goals. Have you ever wondered how some people effortlessly shed those extra pounds while still enjoying their breakfast? We've got the secret, and it's all about enjoying delicious smoothies packed with powerful nutrients. These smoothies not only keep hunger at bay, but also provide you with the essential vitamins to start your day on the right foot. Benefits of weight loss smoothies. Before we delve into the mouth-watering recipes, let's talk about the incredible benefits of incorporating weight loss smoothies into your breakfast routine. They not only boost your metabolism, but also provide long-lasting energy throughout the day. Plus, they are a fantastic way to sneak in those fruits and veggies that you may not consume otherwise. All right, let's get down to business and present you with two incredible weight loss smoothies that are guaranteed to tantalize your taste buds and keep you satisfied until lunchtime. On the Berry Blast. Our first smoothie is the Berry Blast, packed with antioxidants and fiber. With a combination of strawberries, blueberries, and a hint of Greek yogurt, this smoothie will leave you feeling refreshed and ready to take on the world. 2. The Green Machine. Our second choice is the Green Machine, perfect for those looking to add some extra greens into their diet. With a blend of spinach, kale, cucumber, and a touch of pineapple, this smoothie is not only full of essential vitamins, but also incredibly delicious. Well, there you have it, two awe-inspiring weight loss smoothies that will leave you feeling satisfied and help you reach your weight loss goals.